Nigerian TV.
Welcome to DJM TV where you get latest news. Please don't forget to subscribe to our YouTube channel for more videos. Oh yeah, let's go there my people. Wike speaks on alleged plot against Obaseki. Governor of Rivers State, Nyesom Wike has dismissed insinuations that he is plotting against the re-election bid of Edo State Governor, Godwin Obaseki. Governor Wike said that he had nothing against Godwin Obaseki, noting that he only wanted due process to be followed before being given the governorship ticket of the People's Democratic Party (PDP). Before Obaseki finally picked the ticket, there were reports that Governor Wike was proving difficult, after the Edo governor visited him in Port Harcourt, following his disqualification from the APC governorship primaries. But while reacting in an interview to the narrative that he was opposed to Obaseki's second-term bid on the PDP platform, Governor Wike said that many individuals don't. All he wanted for the PDP in Edo State was due process. People needed to realize that there were individuals in Edo State People's Democratic Party who have been making sacrifices for the PDP, when Governor Godwin Obaseki was in the All Progressives Congress, and that such people must be heard and persuaded about Obaseki's entry into the party, so that everybody would work together for the interest of the party. He, however, said that many people did not know that he played a crucial role in Obaseki picking the governorship ticket without rancor among party members. He said, had everyone in the party not been carried along, which was what I suggested, Obaseki would not have emerged as the party's candidate in Edo. Carrying everybody along does not mean giving or sharing money. That is the mistake people make. It means listening to them, appealing to them and making them recognize the greater interest of the party, he said. Wike said if members of the party were not consulted and listened to, there would have been litany of lawsuits that would have put the Edo State PDP in crisis. He added that he had nothing against Governor Obaseki. Governor Wike said that it would be his joy for Obaseki to win the state for the PDP, noting that he would be excited if the party takes control of the entire South-South region. He stated that he was pleased with the circumstances that brought Governor Obaseki to the People's Democratic Party. I am very happy that APC is in crisis. It is not in my place or business to help APC to be united. Remember that we also had our own crisis under Ali Modu Sheriff and APC jubilated about it then. It is my prayer that they should continue to be in crisis. We have taken another state. Unfortunately, the All Progressives Congress isn't really a political party. They came together just to take over power and that is it. I want my party, the PDP, to be in power and therefore, I cannot be praying for APC not to have crisis. I hope they continue to make mistakes every day and my party will continue to grow. Governor Nyesom Wike of Rivers State says he is happy that the ruling All Progressives Congress (APC) is in crisis. Wike said he wants his party to be in power and he'll continue to pray that the APC keeps making mistakes that will bring the People's Democratic Party (PDP) to power. Speaking during an interview on Arise Television, the governor said he is happy about Governor Godwin Obaseki's defection to the PDP and the crisis that prompted him to join the opposition party. Governor Godwin Obaseki of Edo State recently dumped the APC to join the PDP after the latter disqualified him from participating in its primary election. Twitter, GovWike. He said, I am happy that APC is in crisis. It is not my business to help APC to be united, the governor said. Remember that we also had our own crisis under Ali Modu Sheriff and APC jubilated about it then. It is my prayer that they should continue to be in crisis. We have taken another state. Unfortunately, APC isn't really a political party. They came together just to take over power. I want my party to be in power and therefore, I cannot be praying for APC not to have crisis. I hope they continue to make mistakes every day and my party will continue to grow. Wike further said he has no problem with the emergence of Obaseki as the flag bearer of the People's Democratic Party in the September 19 governorship election in Edo State. He, however, advised that members of the party must be carried along on issues concerning the party. Carrying people along does not mean giving money. That is the mistake people make. It means listening to them, appealing to them, and making them recognize the greater interest of the party, Wike said. Goodbye for now, and don't forget to subscribe to our YouTube channel at DJMTV for latest videos. See you later.
Good people, but I'm a labor man. You are my witness. I was just invited to go to a deal and then what led to the other, and I'm here. And now Sekodus and I are being categorized as politicians, but I'm basically a labor man.
I thought I was coming to just unveil and present the book, the interviews. But the chairman of APC has raised some issues which need to be addressed. And that is why there's a difference. The chairman of APC said it's good for leaders to preach what they practice and not to preach what they don't practice. I remember during the chairman's second term to the governor of Edo State, he came to the villa to thank the then president who is ascribed to have been interviewed. He said, "Thank you for one man, one vote." Today, do we have one man, one vote? So, you see, it is very, very, when he had an opportunity to thank a president that said, one man, one vote, he should have carried it along to make sure that one man, one vote. So preach what you practice. Two, you remember, in their own time, they had what they call occupied Nigeria. Nobody was arrested. Nobody was sent to jail. Nobody was detained. Nobody disobeyed any court order. Today, are they practicing what they're preaching? So it is very, very important for us to know where we are. And we cannot be deceived by rhetorics. We cannot be deceived by what we are seeing. All of us know we are not progressing. Rather, we are doing what? Progressing. So my brother, my leader, the chairman, Nigeria is witnessing what to preach, and we are not practicing. So as a leader, I want to come back to you. Please tell our people. In fact, even the BBC had talk. That was the first time I heard that a cabinet member will say he does not like money. It's the first time I've heard that a cabinet member will say he does not like money. Who does not like money here? Who does not like money? Without money, can you pay a children's school fees? Chairman, that is what it is. That the media are those responsible. I'm not going to hide it. The truth of the matter is very clear. The truth of the matter is very clear. The role you played before this government came, play the same role now. Play the same role. Why are you not talking again? Why are you not talking? So it's not that I said, you know what I said is correct. Because what you publish about River State is not correct. What you publish is what you are given to publish. I was thinking that my younger brother would have been here. He had left. He said he was going by 12. No. He said what you publish will affect the country. But he does not. He has forgotten that what you say about your state will also affect your state. Can there be Nigeria without states? When you demarcate your own state, will investors come? So why are you not preaching that journalists should not publish negative things about Nigeria? But you will say negative things about your own state. preach what you want to practice. Like what the keynote addresser said, even though the chairman tried to amend it, go and interview the president, they wanted to be the same thing. The chairman tried to amend it, and I like him. The chairman is a good, in fact, the publicity he gives to his party is very good, and the government, and that's why we should encourage him to continue to be the chairman of his party. I would encourage him, because the publicity he gives to his party, you know, he comes here, you see the way he has done it, very, very well. He said labor. I don't want to go into the issue about labor. I don't want to talk about labor. I don't want to talk about labor at all. I don't want to go to labor. I don't want to go to labor. Because if you see the kind of safari he wears now, it's not the same thing that time. It's not the same. Because as I was sitting with him, if you see the kind of safari, no labor man can wear that kind of safari. You don't need to look at faces. Go and interview people. Ask the relevant questions that people that will help the society. Don't ask questions. You know, sometimes they come. They just want to say, oh, we want to make sure that the public know about you. We want to say, we can package you. Don't package anybody. Your business not to package anybody. Your business is to tell the society a simple truth. I know those, even if I do well, they will never write well about me. I'm not worried too. Don't write. You wrote, I will not win, I won. Second choice, I will not win. Somebody knows I won. Very well. Even the chairman of the question tried in 2015. Chairman, you tried. But God was not on your side. I don't like to come to Abuja. I don't come to Abuja. I don't. Because those who voted for me are not here. That's why I stay in my state. That's why I stay in my state. That's why I made it difficult for the chairman of APC not to get 25%. Because I stayed there. I don't come here. How many of you have voted in River State? How many of you? So I don't come. Yes, you are in Abuja. Don't come there. Don't come. You are in Abuja. So I am a Rivers person that would love to stay in River State. In fact, the best city for me in this world is River State. The best city anybody can talk about is River State. I'm going back. I will stay here. I will stay here. I'm going back. Because there's not interesting me here. Go to River State. You will enjoy yourself. Beautiful fish, all those things. You get it. All this why you are here, you are eating artificial pond fish. I have invited Mr. Chairman to come to River State, even though they don't have water. But as for my brother, I can help them. Give them fresh fish, proper fresh fish. And you see how the whole thing, when he eats our own fish, you will see the difference. It's not the same. It's not the same. That's why he struggled to make sure that they get our state. He said, no, it's not possible. It's not possible.
As the country, have we witnessed improvement from the First Republic to the Second Republic to the Third Republic to the Fourth Republic? The answer is with you. From when the then opposition and now the ruling party has come, have we seen any improvement? The answer is also with you. But most importantly, are we free now to speak? Even in the military era, journalists were vibrant and they fought for their rights. And it was tough, even for the military then. But you can see bills going to the assembly, bills submitted to anti-freedom of speech. That one lesson that we must learn today, we are in a free world, free market. By 1960, I believe the Nigerian population was about 50 million people. Today we are talking about 200 million people. Simple data. The country had 4 major functional seaports. And today we have only 1 functional seaport. How can you talk about free economy? How can you talk about improvement on the economy? And so we need more of these interviews. And we need a vibrant journalism in our country. It is not enough to accuse. It is not enough for propaganda, false. Truth is very tough and challenging. And if you want to begin to cover the truth like light, one day, it will explode.
DJ TV.